on the Jersey Shore are bracing for two issues: the snow plus possible flooding along the coast. CBS 2's Meg Baker is live in Manasquan. Meg?
Diane, the winds have really picked up here, but behind me you can see the ocean is still pretty much flat. Perhaps the calm before the storm here in Manasquan, where officials' main concern is back bay flooding. That will start in the inlet here with the high tides powered by the full moon. The main concern for officials down the shore may not be snowfall, but the combination of powerful winds mixed with a lunar high tide.
He's going to have to move his car, and they just lost a car 2 weeks ago.
Tina McDermott is talking about her son who lives on First Avenue here in Manasquan. She says they've learned their lesson with past storms.
It's tough, but we're used to it, you know. You get acclimated to the process.
Former mayor and OEM deputy George Dempsey says the most flood-prone streets are near the inlet where the ocean meets the bay and the Manasquan River.
Our pipes drained out to like the ocean and the creeks, and when you have a moon tide, the openings of those pipes get covered because the tide rises, and then we get more flooding.
This weekend storm will be the first big test for a $1 million project to fix Brielle Road after Superstorm Sandy. The Monmouth County Sheriff is asking residents to stay alert to the forecast.
To have the batteries for flashlights, you know, have all your phones charged up, ready to go with maybe some additional chargers if you have that available. You know, the basic food supplies, water and everything. The thing about the power is if we have blizzard-like conditions, JCP&L will not be able to come out if it's over 40 miles an hour. It's unsafe.
Residents are preparing.
Yesterday you couldn't get down the aisles. I'm getting ice melt and a new shovel because the other one's broke. My husband's away this week, and every time he goes away I get stuck with snow.
At 93, my dear, I think I'll just sit inside and have some nice coffee and buns.
Todd, who has lived here since 1953, has seen quite a few storms in his day.
We'll survive.
Now, yesterday I spoke to Manasquan's Mayor Ed Donovan about the 3-foot berm that stretches across the oceanfront here in Manasquan, and he says that is enough sand to protect these oceanfront homes. They're basically right on the beach here. And earlier today we went down into town. We spoke to the manager at Acme, who says she will be assisting the elderly in town. If you need groceries and you're unable to get out of the house, call today. They are doing deliveries. Also on Main Street is the fire department. In the case of an evacuation, their doors will be open for people, and they will be out here assisting people to get them out of their homes. For now, we're live in Manasquan. Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.